Hello everyone, this video is all about technical and user aspects of DeepSeek, like how to use and how it's different from another GenAI tools like Microsoft Copilot, ChatGPT and Gemini. So first question is, what is DeepSeek? DeepSeek AI specializes in advanced AI models for coding, mathematics and logical reasoning. LLM like DeepSeek R1 is cost effective and open source, which is a major rival to OpenAI O1. These models are designed to spend more time thinking before responding and it mimic human reasoning. DeepSeek R1 is free, whereas ChatGPT charge for this. DeepSeek outperformed GPT-4 and Llama in maths, reasoning, and coding evolutions. Let's talk about little bit about behind the scenes of DeepSeek. Efficient architecture of DeepSeek activating only fraction of billions of parameter per token for efficiency. DeepSeek has cut AI model development cost by optimizing training methods, making their technology available to all startups and smaller enterprises. DeepSeek AI support diverse hardware configurations. So what are DeepSeek benefits? DeepSeek AI excel in tasks requiring strong reasoning analysis, making it valuable for software development, data analysis, and research. We will see all this in a demo very soon. What are the cost considerations for DeepSeek? DeepSeek is completely open source. It empowers developers unlike OpenAI and Google. DeepSeek model training cost is fraction of what AI is spending on models. OpenAI charges a hefty fee for API, whereas DeepSeek charges fraction of what others are charging to developers. If you want to explore more on technical side, please refer the link on GitHub. I have shared the link in description. Now let's jump to demo and see things in action. The one option is web interface for direct interaction with the model. Second option is API integration for developers who want to integrate DeepSeek into their applications. And third option is open source implementation, ideal for local use or customization. This model uses up to 90% less memory than others. Let's have a look on comparison of different LLM tools. This is a comparison chart of different LLMs by different vendors. Each comes with its own strength and weaknesses. You can see clearly, as of now, DeepSeek cannot generate images. And for reading docs as well, the functionality is limited. You can have a look on this chart and see which LLM is most suitable for you. Let's jump to demo of DeepSeek now. I have logged into DeepSeek with my Google account. Let's try few prompts. Like other LLM tools, DeepSeek is also have cutoff date of July 2024. If you want to involve latest results, you have to involve web search. For example, at this point of time, it was not able to give us answer of the what happened last week in Wall Street. Let me click on search. Same prompt. Because of workload, DeepSeek is busy, but once we enable search, it also finds the latest results from internet apart from data on which the model is trained. Now let's talk about the main functionality, which is about DeepThink. DeepThink R1 is designed to spend more time thinking before responding, and it mimics human reasoning. Let's try one complex prompt over here. Let's try this complex prompt. You can see that it's taking time to think, and we can see how it's planning to respond to us. You can see that before responding, it took too much time to think about the response. It's saying thought for 49 seconds. But answer is reasonably very good. If you have a chat GPT for O1, you have to pay either 20 USD or 200 USD as per the plan. Like DeepSeek, Microsoft also have option for think deeper. Let's try same prompt over here. Think deeper enable Copilot to handle complex problems using advanced reasoning model. It helps solve difficult math problem and many other complex tasks. Think deeper take additional time to provide details, step-by-step answers like human. Think deeper option is available in free Copilot, but it's not available in the Microsoft 365 Copilot, which is a paid one. If you want to use generative AI for general purpose and you are part of Microsoft ecosystem, you can choose to work with Microsoft Copilot, which is available free of the cost, and Microsoft 365 Copilot is a paid one, which is highly integrated in all Office apps. So let's come back to DeepSeek. R1 is very advanced new model, is open source, and for developers, API cost is quite low. So as of now, DeepSeek seems very good. Let's see how it performs in future. Thank you.